I bought plants, guys. Lando is there. 350. The other one is 350. Then the other one I barter it. That's so heavy. That's Black Majesty. And the other one is Negra. I bought that one to Jovis, my friend. So ito na po siya, guys. Ito po yung pangarap ko, guys, na magkaroon ng Philodendron Majesty. Ito po, guys, Philodendron Majesty. Grabe mahal po yan, guys. I bought this one for 350 to... This is a cuttings, guys, cuttings. She just planted this one. Ilaya siya, pero mabuhay yan siya, guys. Yan, that's Philodendron Majesty. And then this one is Alocasia Plombe Negra. Ayan, very nice. Alocasia Plombe Negra. So very nice, guys. Ilagay ko po yan, guys, dito, guys. Oh, I'm going to put it there. Here, I'll get the tripod. Yan, guys, ilagay ko na, guys. I am so excited. guys. Wow, ang ganda. So, mayroon na po akong ano guys. Philodendron Plumbee. Ano yun? Yung very hard to remember the name. The other one is Alocasia Plumbee Negra, and then the other one is Philodendron Majesty, Black Majesty. Yan. Oh man. Nice guys. Very nice. I like it. So this is the Philodendron Black Majesty. Right. And this one is Alocasia Plumbee Negra. Very nice. May flower po siya, oh. So, pag malaki na to guys, saan ko muna ibenta. Pag may ano dito guys, may young. This is very nice, oh. Grabe. Ayan siya. Huwag kang mamatay, ha. Yan. So, thanks guys for watching. Look at my collection here. Many na.